Judge Meyiwa will on Thursday hand down judgment regarding an application by a witness who doesn't want her testimony to be broadcast live in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. On Wednesday, the court heard arguments and counter-arguments from both the state defense and a media lawyer. The witness, who cannot be named for now, argues that the live broadcast of her testimony will compromise her safety. eNCA reporter Moloko Moloto brings us up to speed.
Wednesday's proceedings started with an exchange between the judge and disbarred advocate Malesela Tefo, who insisted on addressing the court.
You are disturbing court. Please sit down or I will order that you be taken out. You are disturbing us.
After Tefo was ordered to sit down, state advocate George Baloyi argued that even though the witness is a performing artist, away from the glitz and glamour, she has vulnerabilities, and as a victim of crime, she mustn't be castigated.
We submit with respect, my Lord, that the right of the public to be informed of court proceedings can never trump the right of a witness to testify in a way that is comfortable to him or her.
In opposing the application, attorney Dan Rosengarten for radio and television media outlets argued the witness's social media commentary regarding this trial dispels her arguments that she fears retribution.
Last year, the witness made the following post. After work, I had a late afternoon nap and had a dream where we as a family had decided, Ukuti, we don't want any media present in court when we testify. Not even our voices should be heard. So we don't want to waste any more of the people's time. Since it says SI, guilty already in their eyes, so we rather testify to the court alone, since they are the only ones who haven't found us guilty. And the court said, granted, my biggest fear is that my dreams always come true. Well, this witness has brought this objection based on a dream. She says nothing about fearing for her life.
Defense lawyer advocate Zandile Mshololo said the law must be seen to be treating all people equally.
Furthermore, my lord, the last few lines I quote from the same paragraph, I have taken judicial notice of the fact that part of the perception that I allude to is the fact that the justice system is still perceived as treating the rich and famous with kid gloves, whilst being harsh on the poor and vulnerable.
On Monday, Judge Meyiwa said should the witness refuse to testify, the law would take its course if it's determined that she's a compellable witness. Moloko Moloto, Pretoria.